Hi everyone. In this video, I will be providing you 20 very important vocabulary that is going to help you in your IELTS preparation. So let's begin. Number 1, rich, which means affluent. For example, they live in an affluent area. Number 2, useless, which means futile. For example, arguing with him is futile. Number 3, careless, which means reckless. For example, it was a reckless decision. Number 4, think or believe, which means opine. For example, experts opine that education is important. Number 5, famous, which means eminent. For example, he is an eminent scientist. Number 6, nearly or roughly, which means approximately. For example, the building is approximately 50 years old. Number 7, determination, which means perseverance. For example, her perseverance paid off. Number 8, hardworking, which means diligent. For example, she is a diligent student. Number 9, inequality, which means disparity. For example, there is a significant disparity in between their income. Number 10, result or consequences, which means ramification. For example, the decision could have serious ramifications. Number 11, profitable, which means lucrative. For example, technology could provide lucrative career opportunities. Number 12, limit or to restrict, which means constrain. For example, high cost can constrain economic growth. Number 13, complete or extensive, which means comprehensive. For example, students need comprehensive training. Number 14, equal, which is similar to the word equivalent. For example, online courses are not always equivalent to classroom learning. Number 15, the word is strong, which means robust. For example, the country needs a robust healthcare system. Number 16, strengthen or support, which means bolster. For example, this scheme can bolster the economy. Number 17, worsen or to degrade, which means deteriorate. For example, the air quality has deteriorated. Number 18, common or widespread, which means prevalent. For example, obesity is prevalent across all the countries. Number 19, traditional, which means conventional. For example, conventional teaching method remains popular till date. Number 20, follow or obey, which means to adhere. For example, citizens should adhere the laws.